today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate your vanilla gift card. Activating your vanilla gift card is actually a very quick and simple process, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to activate this gift card, we want to head over to the official vanilla gift card website, and when you're on their homepage, it should look similar to what's on screen now. From here, we can see this section that says manage your card, and here they tell us so we can check our balance and review our transactions. So in order to do that, you can click check balance, and from there you just want to log in with your username or password, or if you haven't set one up, you can click here to do that. Now if you've logged in or signed up and you still can't see a place to activate your gift card, it might be due to this. It does say on the website currently, card registration is currently under planned maintenance, please try again later. So if you can see this message on their page, that actually means that you're currently not able to activate your card. So in that case, what I'd recommend you to do is go up to the top right corner and click contact, and from there you can reach a customer care representative by either calling this number or writing to their PO box. You can then ask them what to do and how to actually activate your vanilla gift card in the case that it doesn't work on their website. From there, they should be able to give you an answer specific to the type of card you have, which should help you activate it if it's still not possible on their website. So that's how you can activate a vanilla gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.